Hi, it's me, Maria Dreams. Welcome back to my channel. Spring is here, you guys, and today I'm reviewing the Etude House Spring Collection, Whale Breeze. They've sent me the full collection, so in this video I'm going to be trying out all 5 of their new single eyeshadows, as well as all 5 of these gorgeous lipsticks. I prepared a romantic spring makeup look tutorial for you. So if you want to see me play with all of these beautiful products, keep on watching! First, let's start with the stunning lipsticks. Starting with a clean canvas, let's do some swatches. The first shade is called Pink Glacier. It's quite a unique nudie pink color with seemingly both coolness and warmth to it. I can totally see it working with both warm tone eye makeup as well as cool tones. The second one, Slow Mauve, is a romantic pale purple pink tone lipstick. It feels ridiculously soft on my lips. I'm absolutely in love with both the color and the texture of this lipstick. The third lipstick is called Shall We Dance, and just as the title implies, it's a peachy shell nude tone. A very soft and romantic shade. The next one is Tangerine Tango, and just like the dance, it's a gorgeous, passionate tone of red. The last, fifth shade, Iceland Dusk, is a stunning burnt nude pink tone, and I've got to say it's my favorite shade of this collection. These days I'm very much into darker cool tone lipsticks, so this is very much right up my alley at the moment. Here are all of the beautiful shades for you to compare. Now let's move on to single eyeshadows. The first one is called Clear Mine, and it is a smooth coral brown shade with subtle gold shimmer in it. The second one, Heart Throbbing Love, is a mysterious pink matte shade with a purple hint to it. The third shade, Whale Dance, is just as pretty as the name. It's a pink glitter shade with beige and purple glitters in it. Up next we have Warm Spring Breezes, yet another beautiful shade name. And it's a peach orange tone with a feeling of calm and brightness to it. The last shade, Mystery Whale, is a beige and peach infused transparent glitter shade that gives a beautiful and bright shine to any look. It's also great to use as a highlighter. Now that we've seen all of the products individually, let's get playful. I'm going to be using these 3 shades to create a fun and romantic spring look. If you want to learn how to create it too, keep on watching. After doing my usual face makeup routine, I take my big and fluffy Morphe brush and blend Heart Throbbing Love all across my lid. Build up the color slowly and take your time. Never rush it, especially when applying darker shades. Then, I take a smaller brush, apply the eyeshadow underneath my eye and blend out all of the edges. Then I take Whale Dance glitter eyeshadow and pack it on my lid with my finger. Then I take a small flat brush and make sure that the glitter is applied evenly by blending out the edges. You should be getting a look similar to this by now. Now take Mystery Whale and with a small brush apply it in the inner corner. This really brightens up the eye and makes you look fresh and awake. Apply as much as you want really. I feel like there can never be too much glitter. Then I apply it underneath my eyebrow as well for highlight, like so. Now I'll finish off the other eye off camera and be right back. So here are both eyes finished and ready to apply some liner. I'm using the Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Gel Liner in the shade Black. I'm going for a very small wing for today's look, like so. As for lashes, I'm using the Lash Superproof Long Curling Mascara. And for more of a romantic touch, I'm adding a pair of natural looking lashes. As for lips, I am applying the Etude Breeze lipstick in the shade Slow Mo. This lipstick is so beyond soft, I can't even begin to describe it. You just have to feel it. It's seriously the softest thing that's ever touched my lips. Can you see how smooth it applies? Seriously, such a good formula. And here you have it, a simple yet cute and romantic spring makeup look. I can't wait for cherry blossom season. It's my all-time favorite time of the year here in Korea. I'll definitely do this look when I do a photo shoot then. Overall, loving this collection and I had a lot of fun playing around with it. After doing all the swatches, I decided to do another quick look just to show you how the other two shades look on a finished look. So for this look, I used the shades Warm Spring Breeze over my whole lid and Clear Mind in the outer corners to give my eye more of a depth. As for lashes, I used the I Am Vegan Cruelty Free Lashes Navy. For lips, I decided to go with the Iceland Dusk. I think it complements this look perfectly.
Yeah, but this is different. I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and let me know which of these two looks you enjoyed the most. Bye!